Welcome, King Goy back again. Today we are showing you, it's essentially a follow-up video of the first video I made with the wetting agent. I will put a video description or link at the end of that, so if you want to watch it you can check it out. But it was me just making the first part of this wetting agent, and once we've established our butter, we're now going to add our soft water, which has already been done, to this, giving us our final dilution. And a few things I should probably mention: mixing all of the wetting agent and the solid particles is very important, because I actually used this see-through one just to show you. That one wasn't too transparent, so I decided I'll make a 2-liter batch in this one to show you what it actually looks like. And for the most part there was still a little bit of undissolved wetting agent at the bottom, so a nice long wooden spoon also allowed me to go almost around the jar and scrape the sides, because the stick blender does a good job once those particles are broken up. And what we do have now is what I would call ready to go wetting agent. We've waited our 3 days, we've allowed for the sponification to happen properly and over time, and it was, I wouldn't say it was simple, but the hard part is just waiting every time, because obviously, as you can already see, there's a slight different color here. It goes much clearer than this, but I've been blending it every hour or so for like 5 to 10 minutes and then letting it settle. It obviously causes a lot of foam, so bear in mind, if you do make small batches, try and make sure you have the right volume container, because I mean, this is a 5-liter batch and I've got that much space, so yeah, it kind of gets full very quickly. But for the most part it worked out well. And you can see there's still some pieces that I got off from the side and started pushing down. But for the most part, the wetting agent's actually, it's really simple to make, and it's all about just being precise with your measurements and your quality of water. If you are in South Africa, the still water that you buy in bottles is for the most part soft, because I think most of them have a TDS of maybe like 50 something parts per billion. And for it to be soft water, you need to have low calcium and low magnesium, those kind of things, and most of that's all very low, or at least the brand that I used was low, so I think it applies to most of the still water. But otherwise, the most important thing then would obviously be to use the wetting agent, and I think from 15 to 30 mils, that would be your weak to strong solution. And I've used it on my plants, and I mean 20 mils, even 30 mils at a stronger dilution in still water still does the job. And not only is it nutritional for the plant, it serves as a pest control, and the shelf life on this is incredible. I mean, I left a diluted sample, so what I would normally make for the plants, I used about 30 mils per liter, and then 5 liters of water. So you're looking at something like 300 mils of wetting agent in a 5-liter dilution, and that stayed usable until now. I checked my backpack sprayer, and inside the sprayer there was wetting agent, still perfectly fine. So undiluted it lasts quite a while, diluted it lasts even longer. It does break down obviously once you apply it and it's in the sun and on the plant. After that 5 days it becomes nutrition for the actual plant. So either way looking at it, it's a win-win. But that's all for now, I guess. I can show you what it looks like on the inside of this one. Just so it's got such a nice clean smell. As always guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.